Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Digital Hustle Podcast. Today, we're diving deep into an online business opportunity that's been making some serious waves. It's called the Monthly Money Masterclass, and it makes a pretty bold claim about making 10 grand a month with QR codes. So in this explainer, we're going to break down their entire pitch step by step to see exactly what they're offering. Right out of the gate, they hit you with this. It's a powerful hook, isn't it? It's all about painting that picture of financial freedom. Waking up and seeing money has already hit your account. It's designed to grab anyone who's looking for that kind of recurring income, especially if you don't have a ton of tech skills or your own product to sell. So how do they build their case for this? Well, their first big argument is that we're living in a new digital gold rush. The whole idea is that every so often, these massive windows of opportunity open up, and the real key to building wealth is spotting them before they become mainstream. And they lay out a pattern that, honestly, makes a lot of sense. Think back to when the internet first exploded. The people who got in early building websites for local businesses, they made a fortune. Then, boom, social media arrived. The first ones to really master Facebook and Instagram marketing, same story. Their whole argument is that this exact same pattern is happening all over again, right now. And this really boils it all down to a single core belief. It's a simple but really powerful statement, basically saying that if you jump on these new trends early, you're the one who profits. If you wait around and stay skeptical, you get left behind. It's a pretty compelling call to action. So what is this new gold rush they're talking about? Well, it's all about QR codes. Yep, those little black and white squares you're seeing pop up literally everywhere now. The claim here is that this isn't just a fad. It's about to be a massive, multi-billion-dollar industry. And to really anchor that claim, they put this massive number on the table, nearly $29 billion. The point is to show you the incredible scale of this opportunity. We're not talking about some small niche. They're framing this as a tidal wave of a market. And their argument is that these little codes are becoming absolutely essential for businesses today. I mean, think about it. You see them everywhere now, right? On TV, in restaurants, on storefronts. They're basically becoming a new must-have tool for any business that wants to connect with customers efficiently. Now, a nearly $30 billion market is huge, but this is where they make it feel personal and actually achievable. They boil it all down to one simple number, 50. They claim you only need to get 50 clients to build a $10,000 per month recurring income stream. It just takes that huge abstract idea and makes it feel totally within reach, which of course leads to the big question, how on earth do you find those 50 customers? By the way, if you're enjoying this deep dive, take a second to like this and subscribe to the Digital Hustle Podcast. It really helps us out. Okay, so let's see their plan. All right, so what's really cool is that they don't just give you a single one-size-fits-all plan. Instead, they lay out two totally different paths you can take to hit that 10 grand a month goal, which lets you pick the approach that best fits your personality. Okay, so here they are. Method number one is the self-serve model. This is for someone who wants a more hands-off approach. You basically direct businesses to a platform and collect recurring commissions. For this one, you'd need more clients, around 500 to hit that 10K goal. Then you've got method number two, the done-for-you model. They say this one's perfect for people persons. Here, you're the one actually creating and managing the QR codes as a service for $200 a month or even more. And with this model, you only need those 50 clients we were just talking about. Okay, so you've got these two paths. But how do you actually execute them? Well, that's what their core product is all about, the Monthly Money Masterclass. Let's take a look under the hood and see what you actually learn inside. So the main event is a 3-day live masterclass. Day one is all about the foundation. They call it your 10K monthly money map. The goal is pretty simple. Get a solid understanding of this QR code opportunity, and then choose which of those two money models is the perfect fit for you. Then on day two, you shift from the why to the how. This is your monthly money machine. It's all about implementation. They say they'll give you a simple 3-step system and a bunch of plug-and-play tools so you can actually build out the business model that you chose on day one. Finally, day 3 is when the rubber meets the road. It's called the Free Income Fast Track. You've built the system, and now you need customers. This entire day is focused on simple, beginner-friendly strategies to get leads and start making sales. So it's a really logical progression. Plan, build, then profit. And they don't just stop at the 3 days. They stack on a ton of bonuses to really pack into value. You get 2 extra days of training, including an Ask Us Anything session, access to the replays, which is huge, a private community, and even an extra seat for your partner or spouse. So, this brings us to the big question. What does it all cost? After they've laid out the entire curriculum, all the value, and all those bonuses, let's break down the final offer they put on the table. And this is where they throw a real curveball. After building up all that value, the price they reveal to get a spot in the entire masterclass is just $19. And to make that price seem even smaller, they contrast it with a total claimed value of nearly $2,000. It's a classic marketing move called value stacking, and it's designed to make that $19 price tag feel like an absolute no-brainer. And to remove any last-minute hesitation, they include what they call a double stack guarantee. The first part is pretty straightforward, a 10-day one, and if it's not for you, just ask for your money back. The second guarantee is even bolder. Go through the whole class, actually implement what they teach, and if you still don't make money, they'll give you a refund. That shows some serious confidence in their program. And the whole pitch ends with this final thought-provoking question. It brings everything full circle right back to that digital gold rush idea and basically asks you, which side of history do you want to be on? And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the Monthly Money Masterclass offer. We've walked through how they build their argument, the market opportunity they present, the business models they teach, and that pretty compelling final offer. So that's our explainer for today. If this sounds interesting to you and you want to check out the source material for yourself, I've dropped the link for you in the description below. Thanks for watching.